In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer, hopefully without losing your personal files, or at least the way that Microsoft claims. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. I would highly recommend backing up your personal files to an external media source like a flash drive or DVD or a network drive before proceeding. There have been issues with recovery in the past, and if you have all your personal files on your device and you're trusting that Microsoft's going to know all your files and actually preserve them properly, that's really your problem if something goes wrong. I mean, you really should have it backed up. It's really kind of silly to not have any backups, especially with how cheap storage is nowadays. But I mean, you can honestly use Google Drive and back up files to that and then just put it back on your device when you're done. There's really no excuse to not having a backup of some sort. But anyway, we're going to open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system item on the left side. On older versions of Windows, it may say update and security. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says recovery. And then underneath recovery options, reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files and then reinstall Windows, and then select reset PC. You would select the keep my files option, removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files, and then you'd walk along with the on-screen process, and then hopefully that would be able to restore everything successfully, and ideally it would keep your personal files intact. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.